In today's video, I'll show you how to create tags on ConvertKit. Tags are a powerful way to organize your subscribers and send more targeted emails, whether you're a seasoned marketer or just getting started. First, open your web browser and go to convertkit.com. Log in with your account or register if you're new. Once you're in your dashboard, click on the Grow tab. Then select Subscribers from the menu. This will take you to your subscriber list. On the right hand side, you will see the Tags section. Click the Create a Tag button to start. A prompt will appear asking you to enter a name for your tag. Make it descriptive, for example, webinar attendees or ebook downloaders, so it's easy to remember what the tag represents. Once you've typed the name, click Save. Your new tag is now added to your list and ready to use for segmenting your subscribers. And that's it. Creating tags in ConvertKit is simple, but it can greatly improve how you manage your email campaigns and engage your audience. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below.